Free woodworking plans at myoutdoorplans.com.
Hello, I'm Avidu from myoutdoorplans.com. Welcome back to the channel. For today's project we will be building a 14 by 20 lean-to pavilion. Begin by marking the post locations according to your plans. Dig holes about 3 feet deep and 14 inches wide for each post. Drop concrete tube forms into the holes and fill them with concrete. While the concrete is still wet, carefully place the post anchors, making sure they are perfectly aligned and square. Once the concrete has fully cured, install your 6 by 6 posts using lag screws. Use a spirit level to ensure each post is plumb, and temporarily brace them with 2x4s while securing them in place. Next, it's time to frame out the perimeter of the pavilion. Use 2 by 10 lumber for the back and side support beams and 2x12s for the front to give the structure a bold, modern profile. Cut all beams to length, then add decorative ends to the front and back beams for a custom touch. Position the beams so the top edge sits exactly 9 1/4 above the front posts and align everything carefully. Clamp the beams in place, drill pilot holes through the posts and beams, and secure them with 9-inch carriage bolts, using 2 bolts at each connection. Cut 4 by 4 diagonal braces with 45-degree angles at each end. These will stiffen the structure and help prevent racking. Position the braces snugly between the posts and beams, ensuring the pavilion stays square and stable. Drill pilot holes, then attach the braces using 5.5 structural screws, 2 at each end. For added strength and a professional finish, drill pilot holes through the top of the beam and secure the top of the braces with 9-inch carriage bolts, tightened with washers and nuts. Use 2 by 10 lumber for the rafters and side top beams. Cut the rafters to size based on your planned slope and overhang dimensions, and add decorative cuts to the ends if desired. Install the 2 by 10 side top beams first, aligning them flush with the rafters, and secure with carriage bolts through the posts. Then, position the rafters at 24-inch on center, OC, ensuring they're level and evenly spaced. Secure each rafter with metal rafter ties on both sides using 1.5 structural screws for a strong connection. Once the rafters are in place, it's time to lay down the 3/4 plywood roof decking. Start at one corner and work your way across, staggering the joints for strength. Leave a 1/8 gap between sheets to allow for expansion. Secure the plywood to the rafters using 1 5/8 exterior grade screws, spaced every 8 to 10 inches. This will create a solid, durable base for your roofing material and ensure everything is locked in tightly. As always, you can find the full plans over at myoutdoorplans.com. Until next time, build your outdoor world.